In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of chatbots powered by GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, technology. These AI-powered conversational agents have been making waves in the tech industry, so let's dive right in and learn more. First, let's understand what GPT-based chatbots are and how they work. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It has the ability to generate human-like text based on given prompts. This technology has been widely adopted to create interactive and engaging chatbot experiences. Chatbots are software applications that simulate human-like conversations. By leveraging GPT technology, chatbots can understand user inputs, analyze the context, and generate appropriate responses, creating a conversational experience. Point 1. Understanding GPT and chatbots. GPT models learn from massive amounts of text data, allowing them to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses to user inputs. This makes them incredibly powerful in understanding and generating human-like text. Point 2. Use cases and applications. GPT-based chatbots have found applications across various industries. In customer service, chatbots can provide instant support, answer frequently asked questions, and assist customers with basic inquiries, freeing up human agents to handle more complex issues. In healthcare, chatbots are being used to provide personalized health advice, symptom assessment, and appointment scheduling. They can help streamline processes and improve access to healthcare information. Virtual assistants powered by GPT-based chatbots are becoming increasingly popular. They can understand natural language queries, perform tasks, and provide information, enhancing productivity and convenience for users. Point 3. Benefits and limitations. GPT-based chatbots offer numerous benefits. They can scale effectively, handling multiple conversations simultaneously and providing instant responses. This improves efficiency and reduces response times for users. However, there are limitations to consider. Chatbots may struggle with understanding complex queries, handling ambiguous inputs, or providing emotional intelligence. Nuanced conversations or situations requiring empathy and human judgment can be challenging for chatbots. GPT-powered chatbots have revolutionized the tech industry by simulating human-like conversations and automating tasks. Their potential for enhancing customer experiences and streamlining processes is immense. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more intuitive and intelligent chatbots in the future. The possibilities are endless. We hope you found this video informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.